Today we are visiting the Montjuic Castle, which is a fortress filled with history and also one of the best places to see Barcelona from above. To reach the castle, the easiest way is heading to Parallel Station on Metro Lines L2 or L3. From there, the funicular climbs Montjuic Hill. At this point, you can choose between the cable car with outstanding views or bus 150, which is included in the regular transport ticket. Both drop you just steps from the entrance of the castle. Crossing the castle bridge today feels casual, just tourists, families, and groups passing by. But for centuries, this was the main gateway for soldiers, weapons, and supplies entering the fortress. Most visitors probably don't realize how much history these stones have witnessed. Inside the castle, you have access to the central courtyard and then to the terrace, which connects to a watchtower and 4 lookout points, each facing a different part of the city. What was once a military hub is now a peaceful square where people gather, take photos, and enjoy the views. From here, the views are spectacular. The Mediterranean on one side and the city skyline on the other. It's fascinating how a place designed for war has now become a spot for travelers, families, and even kids playing around. The walls are the same, but the purpose has completely changed. Looking at Montjuic Castle from above, we can understand why it was built here, controlling both the port and the city, and watching over them. Today, those views makes the castle one of the most impressive landmarks in Barcelona. And this was our visit to the Montjuic Castle. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, activate the notification bell, and please leave a comment with your thoughts about this amazing landmark. Thanks for joining us, and see you on the next adventure.